I know. Big hell. All of y'all, I'm sorry about today, but I can't release nothing because, first of all, it's 11:20. First of all, I'm about to fall asleep, tired, and I'll upload the video tomorrow. I'm gonna have the lyrics and stuff down. So, shout out to your boy, Josh. Shout out to your boy, Josh. I love y'all. Stay safe. Holla back at your boy. I'm telling y'all, this song that I was practicing with the beat, but this song, oh my God, it's gonna blow your mind, yo. So tomorrow, this is an update, but tomorrow, y'all gonna check out the new song. Hands down, that's the name of the song. Or I might switch it up a bit. But love y'all. Shout out to Undown. Shout out to Big Cal. Shout out to Mike. Shout out to Kalisha. Shout out to all y'all. I love y'all. I love my whole family. My whole family. I swear everything I love. So, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out. Holla boy back at your boy Josh. Rockefeller, y'all. So tomorrow it's gonna be popping. I just can't wait. Like, I'm so excited. Like, I know y'all gonna be excited too, but still, this joint gonna be lit. When I mean lit, this joint gonna be popping. Shout out to your boy Josh. Love y'all. Stay out. Die. Bah, bah.